Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click Tulip fountain pen. And here, in this box itself, you can find the brand's name and the model's name was sticked here. And this is a outer box of this pen, in which you can find the make. This is an Indian made one from Maharashtra. And let me taking this out. And here, this video is specifically taken to give all details about this pen, because just with photos you can't fully understand the pen. So here, this pen has a golden trim set and a golden clip and a golden ring on the cap, and the brand's name Click was stamped in this pen. And totally with this orange and golden finish, this is so aesthetic to see. And with this transparent view itself, you can find this is a Piston type ink filling system. And here the cap held on this body in screw mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to remove this. And here, this is number 5.5 nib, which is a with a fine tip. And there is another golden ring on the grip portion. And let me show you the measurements of this. And here, the holding area's diameter is 9.3 mm and the body's diameter is 10.8 mm, and the length of this pen is 124.1 mm. That is without cap. And here with cap, this is 132.9 mm, and these measurements were giving you the clear detail about the pen's pouch, so you can get the idea to in which pouch, in which size holders this pen will suits. And here, coming back to the ink filling system, you have to unscrew this portion, means you have to do this in the anti-clockwise direction. Here you can find the piston is moving forward while doing this, and then you can dip in the ink and you can do this in the clockwise direction, so the piston will come back and the ink will fill this portion. So if you are doing this for the first time, and you can do this for 2 to 3 times, then the air will go out, the ink will fill this portion. And also, please note this pen is a transparent body, so please do not use primary color ink, so that the ink will create a stain on the wall of this pen, so it's better to avoid that. And also, pen maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and inside you will get the ink dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. So I think you may experience this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the deposits and dirt, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this and twisting this, and you can easily pull this out. And after removing this, flush the feeder with the help of any toothbrush or any brush, and again it is so simple to fix this back. And clean well with the soap water or normal water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. And here I am going to show that example. In brill bottles, you can find that. So you can find clean your pen with water before filling with brill ink. It is given in brill. And so it is clear, unless otherwise we have a good maintenance and cleaning method, the flow will be affected and you will get a uncomfortable writing. And here some nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together. So to gently push the tines like this, push up and down, so it will create a space in the tines. Then it will allow for the good ink flow, and in turn you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure both the tines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customers, we do this fine tuning and we'll check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here for this nib spares, you can check our site, as we have number 5.5 nib in many brands, so you can check that. Here in candid nibs we have fine, medium and broad nibs in this 5.5, and again with golden tone, dual tone and with silver plated also. And if you are okay with flex, you can also check flex for this, that too we have. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. Yes, here I'm going to give the writing sample of this. For that I'm using our Pen House Emerald Green ink. Yeah, the writing is so good and uniform. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.